गुड मॉर्निंग माय लवली पीपल। हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप लोग? वेलकम टू अ पॉजिटिव मॉर्निंग। वेलकम टू अ मॉर्निंग फुल ऑफ होप्स। तो आज बात करते हैं सेल्फ लव के बारे में। मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट सेल्फ लव समवेयर इज़ अ वेरी लेस टॉक्ड अबाउट टॉपिक इन इंडिया। यूट्यूब पे आपको भले ही इसके बहुत सारे वीडियोस मिल जाए, but how many times do we sit with our families and we encourage each other to take care of ourselves? I just read a very beautiful quote. Thanks to Google, it says, owning our stories and loving ourselves is the bravest thing we will ever do. What a beautiful thought, isn't it? We sometimes feel that we know all about self love. In fact, I remember the days when I initially heard about this term. I thought that self love is some kind of cliche. It means being selfish, just thinking about ourselves, which is so not right. Self love, in fact, is taking care of yourself so that you can give a lot of love and care in return to your family and to your loved ones. Self-love can be anything that makes you feel good. It can be sipping your warm cup of tea, looking at the window, chilling by yourself. It can be getting a facial, a massage done. It can be reading a book. It can be eating your favorite food. So everything that makes you feel good is self-love. But at the same time, काफ़ी ऐसी भी बातें हैं which defines if you really love yourself, if you truly love yourself and care for yourself or not. Through my life experiences, I have learned a few which I'll be sharing with you. Start by choosing yourself. खुद को चुनने का मतलब ये है कि जो तुम्हारे लिए सही है, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल पीस ऑफ माइंड, दैट प्राइवेसी, दैट एक्सरसाइज, दैट मल्टीविटामिन, वो हर चीज़ जो आपके लिए ज़रूरी है उस जगह पे खुद को चुनो. से नो इफ़ यू नीड सम टाइम बाय योर सेल्फ. चूज़ योर सेल्फ above serving the relatives. Choose yourself above gossiping with neighbors. Choose yourself from watching a TV serial and maybe going for a walk. Just choose yourself. Number 2, आप ये बात सबसे ज़्यादा तब रिलेट कर पाएंगे if you are somebody like me who is so-called over-emotional person or an empath in a more technical language. Re-establish your self-worth. हम में से कई लोग होते हैं जिन्हें लोगों की कही हुई बातें बहुत जल्दी बुरी लगती हैं, या हमारी लाइफ कई बार उनके इर्द गिर्द रोटेट होती रहती है. कभी किसी ने ऑफिस में कुछ कहा या कभी किसी रिलेटिव ने कहा, एंड इवन इफ somebody who's your own has commented something about you, you might end up feeling bad. और हमें ऐसा लगता है that the reason lies inside that other person, वो ऑफिस का कलीग या वो मैनेजर. But you know what? The reality is your own self-belief. आप खुद को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. अगर आप अपने बारे में लो थॉट्स रखते हैं, देन दूसरों की कही हुई लो बातें आपको इफ़ेक्ट कर सकती है. बट इफ़ यू थिंक हाईली ऑफ योर सेल्फ, इफ़ यू रिस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ, इट वुड ग्रेजुअली स्टॉप बॉदरिंग यू. एक बार ट्राई करके देखना. एवरी टाइम you feel insulted by somebody else, just pause, say some positive affirmations which is just opposite to the comment, and practice it for a few days. You will notice the difference. Learn to nourish your body and soul. It doesn't essentially mean that you only meditate. What it means is sometimes external to inward approach works a lot better. मतलब accept your body, yourself the way it is. Take care of your hair no matter how thin it is. Take care of your skin no matter how many pigments it has. Take care of your feet even if you don't like it. Paint them, make them feel beautiful. Well groom yourself. And when you make your bodies feel good, your soul will feel good on its own. To make your mind and your soul feel better, pray, light some candles, spread beauty around yourself, and see how beautiful do you feel about yourself and your life. Don't accept others' comments, criticism, or negative feedback as real you. It might be just their perception. क्योंकि ज़्यादातर टाइम what people say about us is their way of looking at us, their own brain working in a certain way and not us. So know that people's criticism and people talking behind you is not you. You are a beautiful being and you have way more than they know about you. So know yourself better and do not accept the negative criticism. At times it is even essential to go and talk to them, and at times it is simply essential to avoid them. When you love yourself more, you would hardly find any time to bother about what others think about you. So that is all from my end. So love yourself and stay happy. I will see you in the next episode. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Every subscription matters a lot and makes a huge difference in my life. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो दूसरे एपिसोड को ज़रूर देखें.